Imagine landing a six-figure salary, with some roles pushing well over $300,000 a year, for a skill that barely existed a few years ago, knowing how to have a sophisticated conversation with artificial intelligence. It sounds like science fiction, but it's the reality for a new class of professional, the prompt engineer. This isn't just about typing questions into a chat box. It's about strategically guiding a powerful tool to unlock groundbreaking results, and companies are paying a premium for it. But here's the kicker. This opportunity isn't just for Silicon Valley coders. It's a wide open field, and by the end of this video, I'm going to give you a clear roadmap, showing you the skills you need and how you can start building them today to position yourself for one of the hottest jobs of the decade. To understand this shift, let's rewind the clock. Remember about 15 years ago? If you told a CEO you were a social media manager, they might have laughed. You get paid to post on Facebook? It was seen as a gimmick. Fast forward to today, and a skilled social media strategist is a mission-critical part of any serious business. No one is laughing now. We are at that exact same inflection point with AI. The gimmick phase is over. Across every industry, from marketing and finance to healthcare and law, companies are scrambling to integrate AI. They have this incredible new power, but there's a huge problem. Most don't know how to wield it effectively. They are desperately searching for people who can act as the crucial bridge between human intention and raw machine intelligence. So what does a prompt engineer actually do? It's a blend of art and science. They meticulously design, test, and refine the instructions, the prompts, we give to AI. Their goal is to coax the most accurate, creative, and useful response, whether that's generating flawless code, drafting a legal contract, or creating a stunning piece of art. Think of the AI as a powerful genie that takes everything you say literally and has terrible listening skills. A vague prompt gets you chaos, but a prompt engineer, they are the master translators who know the genie's secret language, phrasing the wish perfectly to unlock its true magic. Here's the juicy part. According to job listings in 2025, prompt engineers earn anywhere from $80,000 to $250, 000 plus, depending on experience and industry. Why the high price tag? A great prompt engineer is a force multiplier, unlocking massive value by turning a general AI into a specialized problem-solving machine. That's a skill companies are paying a premium for. It's not just tech companies. Finance, healthcare, education, entertainment, they all want AI specialists who can guide these models. Law firms are using it to analyze case files in minutes. Marketing agencies are generating personalized ad copy instantly. Every industry is realizing that to stay competitive, they need a human translator who speaks fluent AI. How can you start? First, learn the basics of AI tools. Play with ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, Gemini. Don't just ask simple questions. Give them complex tasks, make them adopt personas, and push their limits. You must learn their individual strengths and weaknesses. Know that ChatGPT is a creative writer, while Claude can digest long documents. This hands-on knowledge is your essential first step. Second, build a portfolio. This is non-negotiable. Share examples of your work on LinkedIn, Medium, or GitHub. Don't just show the final result, document your process. Create a case study showing your initial prompt, the mediocre output, and then the refined prompt that led to a brilliant result. This proves you can consistently guide AI to produce high-quality outputs. Third, stay updated. The field moves insanely fast. You have to immerse yourself. Join AI communities, Discord groups, and follow prompt engineers on social media. Don't just be a passive reader. Participate in the conversation. The community is your best resource for learning new techniques the moment they emerge, which is essential for staying on the cutting edge. Here's the secret sauce hiring managers love. Combine your domain expertise with AI prompts. Don't just be an AI person. Be the AI expert for your field. A graphic designer using AI for concept generation is invaluable. A financial analyst using AI to spot market trends is a superstar. This combination of your specific niche plus AI fluency is what makes you truly unstoppable. Prompt engineering might not be a job title forever, but the skill? That's the golden ticket. It's the new digital literacy. The title will evolve, or it will simply become a core competency for every knowledge worker. Whether you're in marketing, design, business, or law, knowing how to effectively communicate with AI and translate human intent into machine instructions is the skill that will set you apart for your entire career. So don't just watch AI take over. Be the one telling it what to do. Be the architect, not the spectator. Smash that like button if you're ready to start. If you want the real interview questions companies are asking prompt engineers, drop a comment below. And of course, subscribe if you're serious about future-proofing your career with AI. This is your chance to be early to the next big career wave. Don't miss it.